Good morning, student. Last time we have discussed about the linear equation in two variable and how to solve the simultaneous equation. First addition, subtraction, then equating coefficient, and then denominator of the type. So that we will try to proceed further with new topic, that is the determinant. As far as students' point of view, this is the new word for you, but not a difficult one. See here, the rectangular arrangement of the numbers in a particular manner, rectangular or square, A, B, C, D, it is known as the determinant of the type 2 by 2, means 2 rows and 2 columns. Here, how to solve it? You have to do cross multiplication of these numbers in the determinant. A into D, you have to give minus sign in between it. Again, C into B or B into C, means it will become A into D, that is AD, minus B into C, BC or CD. This type of arrangement is called as the determinant, and this is nothing but the value of the determinant. So that we will see some of the example in the exercise 1.3, that is number 1, 3 determinant 3, 2, 4, 5. It is given in your exercise in the activity form as 3 into this box minus empty box into 4 upon again empty box minus 8 is equal to 7. Now see here what we have discussed just while before, that is cross multiplication, means 3 into 5. So that you have to write here 5. 2 into 4, that is 2 into 4. Again 3 5s are 15. 4 2s are 8, already given here. 15 minus 8. That's it. Means this determinant is equal to 7. Next, example number 2. We will see of the different type, that is determinant minus 1, 7, 2, 4. We have to solve it. Very easy. You have to do cross multiplication. Minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. Don't forget to write here sign minus. Again minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. Minus 7 into 2, that is minus 14, means minus 18. Therefore, the value of this determinant is minus 18. You can finally write here minus 1, 2, 7, 4, that is equal to minus 18. Now, again next type of the determinant, see here 3. 7 by 3. Next example from the same exercise 1.3, 7 by 3. 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. There are 4 objects in the determinant, 7 by 3, 5 by 3, 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Same method, what we have to do? We have to cross multiply it. 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 by our rule, minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2, that is equal to 7 into 1, 7, 3 2s are 6, minus 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. You can see here denominator is common, so that 6, 7 minus 15, that is equal to minus 8 upon 6. Now 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Therefore 7 by 3, 5 upon 3, 3 by 2, 1 by 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Means value of the determinant is minus 4 upon 3. So students, I hope so you got this determinant quite easily and you have understand very well, so that we will proceed further in the next video. So what you will do is that you have to revise it, you have to take assignment yourself from the exercise and from the problem set. For any difficulty, call me or text me so that your difficulties will be solved easily. Thank you friends. Stay home, stay safe.